A big welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here once again. Today we are going into a very important topic you will love so much. How do you get a business started without prior experience? We have a lot of working class 9-to-5 salary earners. We have a lot of retirees out there that this video can really be of blessing to. And you do them a big favor if you can share this video with them, subscribe to our channel, and let a lot of them have a proper look at this video because it's going to be a great blessing to you. Number one, you need to watch out what are you passionate about. What is that thing you can do without anybody forcing you? I've always talked to a lot of them about the type of work they have been doing with the whole of their youthful years. You've spent 20, 30 years in a particular place working as a salary earner. Look, if you come out there to do the same thing you've been using your 20 years of your age to do, you will sure make a great success. But if you are coming out there to do something quite different from what you have been used to doing, it is always very important you keep connected to this channel so that you can always have tips of what is expected of you as a new person in business without any experience. So passion is one of the wonderful things that can make you do successfully well. Are you an accountant that have been so used to the world of giving accounting report of organizations? You'll be very good at doing things around such a thing. That is, if you are happy about the type of thing you are doing all those while. So passion goes a long way. This is one of the things that can make you make great success without business. So check out yourself. Look back. Think of where you are coming from. Look at your foundation. Look at your environment. What are the things you are so good at? What are the things you can do without you having to complain? Those are one of the things you actually can do as a new person that doesn't have any experience at all and still make great success with it. Number two, while trying to launch out as a new person in business, you need to take note of those people that are meant for your product or for your service. Who are your ideal clients? Who are your target market? You need to carefully look out for them, especially on the online platform. No one is running any business offline right now. If we still have people that are still exploring the offline platform, fine, but you can't actually easily get your ideal client from the offline platform except you are in a very big market that allows you the traffic, both the one that is meant for you and meant for others. But if not, the online platform is the best way for you to look out for the people that want your product. Don't just launch out with passion. Also look out for those that will appreciate that passion of yours and be ready to buy from you. So how can you identify an ideal client? I'm going to be taking another training on that can give you explicit explanation on how to identify your ideal clients, the people that is meant for your product or service. So take good note of them. But one of the things I want you to go on with today is that you need to actually try to search out who are those people meant for me. You can get them through groups. We have a lot of groups on Facebook. Go in there. The type of product you want to launch out or the type of service you want to offer, you need to actually look out for groups that has to do with what you've got for them and ask questions from them. Put up some questions in relation to what you want to launch out and look out for the comments people will give to you. In this type of thing, you can also use it to make a better analysis of how to target and see the people that are actually meant for your product. Another video that will explain this explicitly will be dropped on this channel, so look out for it. Number three, you need to put out action plan to whatsoever you want to do. We'll be talking more on other things you need to put in place before you can put up the action plan. But look, if you are not ready to put the work behind the plan, it's very difficult for any business owner to make any explicit progress with anything they venture into. So be ready. Don't relax that after all it's my business. Yes, because it's your business, you need to actually make great success with it, and the action that is required for you to make sure that the business works is expected of you. So don't lag behind. Follow us back to back on this channel to be able to have thorough understanding of what is expected of you as an entrepreneur. Number 4, you need to invest wisely. How can you actually invest wisely as a beginner in business? Is it enough for any of your co-worker or your friends or relatives to tell you, look, this business is good, go in for it? But I want to give you a point of notice here. You don't go into any business having a proper analysis of what is the result of the business you are going into. In short term, in long time, what can the business actually give to you in terms of the return on investment? Is this type of business good enough for you, for your caliber of person? Is it good enough to cater for all your needs as a salary earner, as a retiree, or even an entrepreneur that is looking out for an alternative means of livelihood? You need to have a proper understanding. How can you get this done? Go for training. Look out for anyone that can actually put you through. Maybe I've passed through the same journey that you just want to get started with. So having a proper understanding of this will enable you to invest wisely. If the business is not something you can roll with, look out for something else that can help you make better of your life and of your business. Number 5, you need to note down all the necessary tools that is needed to enable you make great success with the business. What are the tools needed? You need the marketing tools. You need every strategic tools to be able to make great success with your business. So look out for the tools. We have a lot of trainings on our channel that can also help you note out the hubs. These are part of the tools you need. All the hubs you need to be able to put up that business, having an effective result from it as a beginner in business. This is one of the things you need to note down as a beginner in business. Number 6, create a business plan behind the new business you are trying to launch out. On this channel, we have a detailed step-by-step analysis of how to get a business plan put together. As a new person coming out in business, you need to actually put down everything. This is also going to help you to put an action behind the plan. You know, I've mentioned it earlier that it is not proper for you not to be ready to put an action to the plan. So on this very point, you need to have a proper business plan put in place. What do you want to achieve in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year? And what are the plans you have to put together to be able to achieve this? Every business needs a business plan, and you need to be able to put one in place. If in case you are confused of how to get a business plan put together, you can check on our channel for a video that can help you put up a business plan seamlessly. And the last one, which is number 7, you need to register your business. This is very important because it goes a long way. We have a detailed training on what is required of every business owner that is just starting out newly, but I'm very sure these step-by-step points that we have explained here can also be of great help to you. As a business owner starting out newly, go straight forward, go to Corporate Affairs Commission and register your business. What advantage has this got for you? It gives your business a face. Yes, and no one will want to do any business with you formally if you don't have a business name, you know. And if you're aspiring to go places with the business of yours, you need to do the normal thing. You need to put the business formally, register it so that you can also have a business account to your business and do everything formally. You know, you're not allowed to be informal for long. You can start up as a new person and putting together all the 6 points we've mentioned and put the registration as the last thing. But look, the earlier the better. It goes a long way to quickly help you have a face to your business that will be reckoned with. I'm very sure a lot of you have been blessed with these few points that can actually help you launch out without any experience as a business owner. We need you to be aware of what is essential, and I'm very sure this can really be of great help to you. In case you are blessed with this training, I need you to help to subscribe to the button of this channel. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, make a comment in the comment box, and click the notification button. That will allow you to always know when we drop any video on this channel. I'm so glad to be here once again, and I believe you have been blessed. See you in our next training, and take good care. Bye for now.